Do you love traveling to beautiful places around the world? Are you a food blogger interested in African cuisines? Do you plan to visit Nigeria soon? This video explores some mouth-watering Nigerian cuisines you should try on your next visit. Nigeria is regarded as the largest black country in the world, having over 150 million citizens and over 250 ethnic groups, with three major ones. Each ethnic group has some peculiar cuisines associated with them. Below are some of these foods and how to prepare them. 1. Ofata rice with stew. Ofata is a small town in the southwestern part of the country. Its residents are known to be rice farmers, hence the rice grown is named after the town. This rice is brownish in color and sold across the country. Ingredients: 2.5 cups Ofata rice, 5 cups water, 1 teaspoon. Vegetable oil, optional, 1 teaspoon. Salt. Direction to cook includes: heat up the 5 cups of water in a pot till it boils. Rinse rice thoroughly with cold running water and pour into the pot of boiling water. Add salt and oil. Thereafter, cook for 35 minutes or until it's ready, soft to eat. 2. Pounded yam and melon soup, a Goozy. This delicacy is also known among the southwestern Yoruba people. The ingredients for 2 servings include 1 tuber of yam, 2 cups of ground melon, fresh tomatoes, fresh pepper, 1 medium-size ice fish, palm oil, onion, stock cube, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 small bunch ugu leaf. Direction to cook: peel, wash and boil yam till it's well cooked. Pound in a mortar with a pestle, mold into balls and set aside. Add little water to ground a Goozy in a pot to form a thick paste with blended pepper, onion and tomatoes. Stir the mixture and allow to cook before adding palm oil. Pour in some water to lighten the soup if too thick, stock cubes, salt to taste and your fried ice fish. Finally, add chopped ugu leaf and allow to cook for 5 minutes. Serve pounded yam and a Goozy soup. 3. Afang soup is eaten by the Effikas, Ibibio people of Nigeria. This soup has a bit of bitter taste but highly nutritious and tasty. Ingredients are smoked fish, beef or assorted meat, ground crayfish, periwinkle, optional, afang leaves, dry or fresh water leaves, alternatively, lamb lettuce or spinach, palm oil, stock cubes, fresh pepper or ground dried pepper, to taste, and salt to taste. Direction to cook: wash and cut afang leaves, pound or blend it and set aside, then slice the water leaves and also set aside. Cook until tender the assorted meat, smoked fish or beef and stockfish with chopped onions, 1 stock cube, seasoning cube and salt to taste. Then clean the dried fish in hot water. Remove the bones to avoid choking while eating and add the fish to the pot of cooked meat. Add the palm oil, pepper, ground crayfish and stock cube to the pot. Mix well and then add periwinkles, if you are using any. Add salt to taste. Cover the pot and leave to boil for about 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, add the afang leaves, leave to simmer for 3 to 5 minutes and then add the water leaves. Afang soup is ready to be served hot with starch, pounded yam, wheatmeal, EBA, fufu, semolina, amala. 4. Tuwo shinkafa is popular throughout the northern parts of Nigeria. It is a unique dish consisting of rice flour or soft, short-grained rice and water. Ingredients: 1 cup white rice, non-parboiled, and 3 cups water. Direction to cook: wash the non-parboiled rice to a pot. Add water to the rice and let it cook till the water is dry and very soft. Next, using a wooden spoon, mash the rice against the edges of the pot to bring the rice together. Stir and mash continuously until it forms one nice lump. Tuwo shinkafa is often served as an accompaniment to various soups and stews such as agusi, miyan kuka, miyan tosh, and stew. Thanks for watching. Please check out previous videos, I know you'll love it too. Click the free subscribe button before that getting paid and hit the bell icon for upcoming fantastic cooking tips and facts. Bye!